Is your mouse cursor or pointer lost all of a sudden? Here are 9 basic navigation and Windows management tips you can do with just your keyboard. 1. Press Windows button plus D to show or hide the desktop. 2. Press Windows plus E to open File Explorer. 3. Press Windows plus M to minimize all open windows. 4. Press Windows plus Shift plus M to restore the minimized windows. 5. Press Alt plus Tab to switch between open applications. 6. Press Windows plus R to open Run the dialog box. In case you don't know what you can do with the Run dialog box, this will be explained in one of our subsequent videos, so subscribe and turn on your notification button so as not to miss when it will be posted. 7. Press Windows plus U to open Ease of Access Center. You can use that menu to change text size, mouse pointer color and size, narrator, speech recognition settings, eye control settings, etc. 8. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape button to directly open Task Manager. Do you know Task Manager is one of the ways you can monitor if a virus has encroached into your PC? We'll discuss this in details and more in one of our upcoming videos. Please stay subscribed and turn on your notification bell to get notified anytime our videos are posted. 9. It can be very frustrating when you're trying to lock your screen and the system kept on waiting. Just press Windows plus L to instantly lock your screen. Please do well to like, share and subscribe to our channel.